In the 1870s, London was the largest city on Earth.
More than 3 million people crowded its streets. This was the heart of a global empire. But it was also one of the hardest places to survive. The streets never truly slept. The air was thick with smoke and soot. Cleanliness was a rare luxury.
Children sold papers, matches, and flowers.
Men laboured as porters and dock workers.
Every coin mattered. A bad day meant hunger. Markets fed the city.
They were loud, chaotic, and exhausting. Work began before sunrise.
Hours were long and unforgiving.
Security did not exist.
Slums defined much of London.
Disease sprayed easily.
Death was a familiar sight.
Crime thrived in the shadows.
Gas lamps offered limited safety.
Police patrolled on foot. Fear ruled the night.
Street performers drew crowds.
Pubs overflowed with life. These moments kept people going.
Railways cut through communities.
Industry dominated the skyline.
Factories ruled time itself.
London became a machine.
Entire families shared single rooms.
And people powered it.
Social divides were stark.
Luxury stood near misery.
Invisible walls separated lives. Reforms slowly emerged. Sanitation improved. Lighting made nights safer. Transport reshaped movement. But progress was uneven. Millions still struggled daily.
The streets shaped modern cities.
They shaped labor. They shaped policing.
They shaped inequality. Every cobblestone tells a story. Ordinary lives built the modern world. Victorian London was loud and dangerous. It was the raw reality of progress.
This was the real street life of Victorian London.